Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make brownies without an oven. First, gather your ingredients: cocoa powder, sugar, butter, milk, and flour. You'll need a saucepan and an 8x8-inch pan for setting. This easy method is perfect for a quick dessert, especially when you want to avoid heating up your kitchen. Let's get started with combining the dry ingredients. To begin, in a medium saucepan, melt 1/2 cup of unsalted butter over low heat. Once melted, stir in 1/4 cup of milk. In a separate bowl, combine 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1/2 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. Gradually add the dry mixture to the wet ingredients in the saucepan, stirring constantly until well combined and smooth. Now, cook the mixture over medium-low heat, stirring continuously for about 5 minutes. It will thicken considerably and start to pull away from the sides of the pan. Once it reaches this consistency, remove it from the heat. Pour the warm brownie batter into an 8x8-inch greased pan, spreading it evenly. Chill in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours to allow them to set completely. After chilling, your delicious no-bake brownies are ready to enjoy. Cut them into squares and, if you like, dust them with a little powdered sugar or drizzle with chocolate syrup. They are wonderfully fudgy and rich, proving you don't always need an oven for a fantastic dessert. Remember to check the description below for the link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals we've found for you. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.